gaming?
Yes. I play this game called Overwatch in my spare time. I'm not very good at it, but it's fun.
Whoa, you never look like the sort to game. So what's your favorite character from the game?
It's got to be Reinhardt. I love his hammer and shield.
What other things do you do that we'll be shocked to find out about?
I am a huge nerd.
Wow, tell me something I really don't know.
Hey!
Okay. What are you a huge nerd for?
I like to watch anime and cartoons, and I know a huge list of Disney songs by heart.
Oh yeah? Give me a line from Beauty and the Beast.
Be our guest, put our
Oh,
song to the...
okay. What's your favorite Disney song?
There are too many, I can't decide.
So what else do we not know about you?
I may not look like it, but I have danced ballet for 9 years.
Care to share a few more moves?
No, I'm shy.
You're right. There's no way you're shy.
Well, yes, I know it's hard to believe, but I'm actually an introvert.
Interesting. So what's your favorite genre of music?
Anything with a good bass and beat.
Who's your role model?
My role model is my mum. She told me that wisdom comes with knowledge and action.
What made you decide to be a teacher?
I guess you could say I have a calling.
Okay, last one for the road. What words do you live by?
You know the drill, work hard, play harder. Hello everyone, and thank you for watching. Now, if you want to find out more about how we teach our students to write A-star English compositions, you can visit our website at writersatwork.com.sg or visit our Facebook page. Hope to see you soon at WOW. Bye!